Welcome to our second vlog from Penang, and today we are heading towards a place called Kekloksi Temple, which is on top of a mountain, and it's a huge temple and very beautiful Chinese temple. We thought of going to Penang Hill, but everybody goes there and it's overhyped kind of, or like after hearing from people and after reading the reviews, so we skipped that plan. Look at this, so many turtles here. It's full of turtles. Just turtles and turtles everywhere. यूनिक टर्टल्स एक के ऊपर और एक टर्टल है क्या कर रहा है नहीं पता Kekloksi means Temple of Ultimate Happiness in English, and it is situated at the foot of Eritam Mountain. This is the largest Chinese temple in Malaysia, and it's a very important pilgrimage center for Chinese, Singaporeans, and other Southeast Asians. The main attraction of this complex is the 7-story 10,000 Buddhas pagodas. So, to go to Kekloksi Temple, you will have to take an air tram from here. So for that you need to get the tickets. So we are going to buy the tickets now. This is the inclined lift station. So basically this is the one for the air tram. जो आप लोग देखते हैं कि कांच का एक होता है बॉक्स जो कि ऐसे ट्रेन जैसा ऊपर जाता है हिल के ऊपर. It's that we need to get the tickets from here. For round trip for adults it's 16 Malaysian ringgit, and for children it's 8 Malaysian ringgit round trip. And for one way it's 8 Malaysian ringgit for adults, and for children it's 4 Malaysian ringgit. This is the timing that you can see. The last ride is at 5 p.m. We took a one way ticket because दोनों तरफ जरूरत नहीं है. We can use the stairs. ये देख लो हम लोग चढ़ रहे हैं अभी ऊपर जा रहे हैं. छोटा सा राइड है पर बहुत ही सुंदर है. You can have literally a whole view of this area. ट्रैम में एसी भी है तो चाप नहीं है गर्मी में. बाहर तो बहुत ही गर्मी है. So it's cool here. First, you'll be taken to the main prayer hall. We got a bit confused and boarded the free buggy. Now keep looking at our confused faces. As soon as we got here, we were provided with the buggy. पता नहीं क्यों ही बुलाया है इधर बग्गी में. इसका कोई चार्ज है भी कि नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो अभी ऊपर जा रहे हैं. 8 जन का है ये वैसे तो. देखते हैं पता नहीं कुछ भी हो सकता है. ऊपर जाके मांग लिया कुछ 10,000 रुपये तो क्या करेंगे तब. वैसे तो शॉर्ट राइड है. अच्छा ही है. अच्छा लग रहा है. अब आ तो गए हैं. देखते हैं क्या बताते हैं. So we are at a souvenir shop right now. There are a lot of items here, small and cute items, but the prices, yeah, of course, it's on the expensive side. बाहर आपको और भी सस्ते में मिल जाएगा. 2058 Malaysian ringgit. Price सारा तो कॉस्टली ही है. देख के ही लग रहा है कॉस्टली है ये सब तो. 48,000 Malaysian ringgit भी है ये वाला. So we came here, we thought that we need to buy another ticket from here, but no, that is not the case. We had the tickets. It's for 2 of the rides and 2 of the halls. So come, let's go. Again, here's a queue, and by the way, the queue here means you will have to sit here on long benches. So that's how the queue is here. You sit on 7th means you're on the 7th. Your number is 7. We have come to the main prayer hall, which is at the second level, and here there is again a souvenir shop, and that is the view outside. We are at the second level, and this is the bronze statue. It's a huge statue. I don't know if it's the main prayer hall is here only or not, but the bronze statue is here because on the ticket it's written main prayer hall, then the bronze statue. But yeah, we were brought here. It's very beautiful and massive.
स्टैचू इज ह्यूज. मतलब इंडिया में भी अभी बहुत सारे स्टैचूज है बड़े, बट हमने देखा नहीं है. बट दिस इज रियली ह्यूज.
take the type of wish that you want to make. Choosing.
This is a sitting area just outside the temple. This is so cute.
And of course, we feel like sitting here. Kekloksi temple is done. Now we are going down, and to go down, we haven't taken the air tram because we wanted to use this car road. And वैसे भी नीचे जाने में तो उतना दिक्कत होता नहीं है. So yeah, it's cool, it's fun. So नीचे जाते वक्त we would suggest that don't take the cable car unless and until you have mobility issue. ये देखिए सेंटा क्लॉज को लात मार के घुसा दिया अंदर. This is the Batu Ferringhi beach, which is situated at the northern coast of Penang Island. A lot of tourists come here to sunbathe, take foot massage or for water sports. Later we might check out the night market, but officially this is the last spot in Penang. Tomorrow we will be leaving for Kuala Lumpur. But before we show you the Batu Ferringhi beach, let us give you a small idea about the Penang city.
Penang is a state in Malaysia which is located in the northwest part of the peninsular Malaysia, right by the side of Strait of Malacca.
The capital of Penang is Georgetown. To be precise, it's the capital of the Penang Island part.
Penang state has two parts. One is Penang Island, another is Seberang Perai. So these two parts are connected by two bridges. One is the Penang Bridge and the second one is called as Second Penang Bridge.
Penang boasts a rich cultural mix of Chinese, Malays, Indians, Siamese, Eurasians and expats.
Penang was founded by the British East India Company, so even Malaysians were inspired by them. Penang is a top economic hub in Malaysia. It has the highest GDP per capita income among all the states in Malaysia and the fourth highest HDI in Malaysia.
Exactly, that is what happens when you work from home. Baby, how do you feel? If you're staying at the Georgetown area, you can avail cab to reach here because it's a bit far from the Georgetown area. You can also avail public transport like the buses 101 or 102 to reach here at the Batu Ferringhi beach. This beach looks like Goa beach, honestly. There are shacks here, boats and speedboats running. There are sunbathing chairs or whatever you call it. And people are just playing in the water, sunbathing, doing foot massage. It's just the same. Personally, I don't feel it's anything different than the Goa beach. But yeah, it's okay, beautiful. We are just walking on the beaches of Malaysia. It is the hosting location for Penang International Dragon Boat Festival since 1979, where teams from all over the world takes part. इधर इतना बच्चा लोग फायर शो कर रहा है एंड विदाउट एनी प्रोटेक्शन. इट्स सो डेंजरस बट हाँ कितना स्किलफुली कर रहा है ये लोग. दैट इज रियली गुड. यू कैन वॉच द शो फ्री ऑफ चार्ज. वी वेंट टू लॉस्ट वर्ल्ड ऑफ Tambon where you already know that how we wasted our money over there. If you haven't watched the video, I have left the link in the description. Tap that, go and check the video, you'll understand. At this point of time, we exactly feel that even we have spent that much of money which was totally wasted. Our time got wasted due to weather conditions and etc etc. अब तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है यही सही था, ये फ्री में है ये. Oh, look at that monkey. Oh, so many monkeys.
There are so many.
Later at night, we strolled a bit around Batu Ferringhi and Georgetown to check out the night vibe, and it was quite chill yet lively. Overall, we had a lovely time in this UNESCO city where we would love to come back in the future. For now, goodbye to Penang and you all till next Saturday. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and motivate us. You can also find us on Instagram where we invite you to connect with us more personally. We share a variety of posts that you won't want to miss. Okay, bye-bye for now.